Today we are going to learn first standard chapter number 4, that is my red bicycle. So everyone like bicycles, no? To riding, the bicycle riding is very enjoyable, right? So here is one chapter about bicycle. So move on to the new words first, that is Aman. Aman is a boy name in that chapter. Abbu, Abbu. It means father. Torn, torn. Torn ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹರಿದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹರಿದಿರುವಂತದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಟಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. care, care ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೋಪಾನವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. clean, clean, clean means ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. scooter, scooter. ಓಕೆ, scooter. tractor, tractor. paternal, paternal means uncles ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, paternal uncle. maternal, aunt, auntie ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, like that. Mumbai, this is a city name. city. Yes, children, move on to your lesson part. Chapter number 4, my red bicycle. Okay, here is one warm-up exercise for you. What they have given, they have shown the vehicles picture. Which are those? Just find out. School bus, aeroplane, boat, bicycle and train. Here they have indicated that some places name. We have to find out which vehicle we use to reach that place. ನಾವು ಯಾವ vehicle ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವೆಹಿಕಲನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಿಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಶಿಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೀಚ್ ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ. ಶಿಮ್ಲಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ little bit far away, so we use that train. Then school bus, prefer for schools only. Then market, we can use bicycle. And the London, okay, we have to cross the country, different country. Okay, so we have to cross several oceans. Okay, so we use that aeroplane. So overall, children, depend upon distance, depend upon that places, we use vehicles, right? Yes. Let's see in this lesson what is the part of that red bicycle. Okay? Yes. Here you can see, I am Aman. I have a red bicycle. My Abbu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. In this chapter, ಅಮನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಾಯ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಬು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅಬ್ಬು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾದರ್. ನನ್ನ ಫಾದರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನನ್ನ 7th ಬರ್ಡೇಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮೈ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ torn. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಮೈ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್. ನನ್ನ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೀಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕಿತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹರಿದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಐ ಲವ್ ಮೈ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಬ್ಬು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್. ಐ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮೈ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. Abbu is my father. He has a green scooter. He goes to office on his scooter. Okay? See, that dad ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಬ್ಬು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ, ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಸೈಕಲನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಬ್ಬು ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಮನ್ಸ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಇದೆ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ that Aman have red bicycle, red bicycle. Then Abu had which color scooter? Blue color scooter, right? Sorry, green color scooter. Green color scooter. Green scooter. Okay? Yes. We have a tractor. Our tractor says fat 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 fat. Goes to work. How the tractor sound? The tractor sound like fat 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 fat. They have a tractor also. Aman have that. Aman has red bicycle as well as scooter and tractor. Then my paternal uncle Salim is an engine driver. His train is blue and white and runs on rails. ಅಮ್ಮನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಲೀಂ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರೇನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿದ್ದು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕಲರ್? ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕಲರ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಟ್. Train color is blue and white. Train color is blue and white color and it runs on rails. The uncle name was Salim. Then my maternal aunt's name is Seema. Or auntie name ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೀಮಾ. She and her children live in Mumbai. ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಮುಂಬೈ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಟಿ. ಮುಂಬೈ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೇ ಕಮ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರು. ದ ಕಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾರ್ ಏನು ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. At the village children come to see the car. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ, ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಓಡಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೈ ರೆಡ್ ಬೈಸೈಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ boy name in that lesson Aman, his father Abbu. Aman has a red bicycle and father has a green scooter, and father told him to take care of and clean it every day. And Aman has also have a tractor. The tractor sounds like fat 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 fat. And Aman's uncle name was Salim, and he was an engine driver. The train color was black and white, blue and white, and the aunt name Seema. Okay, and where they live in Mumbai city. Okay, they came by car. Okay, so this is a full lesson of my red bicycle. Here are some, we will find children in this chapter some opposite words, that are opposite words. Okay, so first one we can find out here, the father told no, Abbu told no, clean your bicycle, right? So clean opposite is dirty. Clean opposite dirty. Then to take a good care, right? Good opposite is bad. Opposite of good, bad. Then day. Okay, we have to clean our bicycle every day. No, day opposite is night. Opposite of day, night. So then Mumbai is a big city, right? Opposite of big, small. Opposite of big, small. So clean, dirty, good, bad, day, night, big, small. So Aman loves his red bicycle and he enjoyed his bicycle with his childhood. Thank you. Hello children, we move on for the lesson exercise part, that is chapter number 4, My Red Bicycle. So move on to the chapter now. Evaluate part, reading. A part, tick the right options to complete these sentences. We have to tick the options according to that lesson. So first one, Aman has a red motorcycle or red bicycle. Aman hatra yavudittu? Yes, that is red bicycle. Second one, Aman's father rides a pink scooter or green scooter. Which color scooter that Aman's father has? He had that green scooter. Next, Aman's family also has a tractor or a train. Aman's family has a tractor. Then fourth one, Aman's paternal uncle is called, uncle name ಏನಿತ್ತು? Paternal uncle name ಏನಿತ್ತು? Salim or Salman? That is Salim. Then fifth one, Seema lives in Ranchi or Mumbai? Seema yaru? That is maternal aunt. Okay. Manu's maternal aunt Seema. She lives in Mumbai. Mumbai idru. Okay. Move on to the B part. Tick the vehicles Aman mentioned in this story. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಎಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಮನ್ದು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಲೀಂ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಕಾರ್ Yes, that is all. Seema and Salim, uncle and aunt came from by car anta helidru. Scooter, yes, green scooter that Abu Aman's father has green scooter. Helicopter, helicopter itta adralli? No. Rocket? No. Then tractor? Yes. Aman family also has a tractor. Next, move on to the next part. Language in use. Okay. The concept is can, cannot. Can means ಯಾವುದು possibility ಇದೆ, cannot means ಯಾವುದು possibility ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ a fish can swim, ಫಿಶ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. a lion cannot fly, ಲಾಯನಿಗೆ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಹರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಆಗತ್ತೆ, cannot means not able to. According to this, we have to solve the A part. A bird dash fly. Can fly or cannot fly? A bird can fly. Okay. Second one. A crow can sing. Crow chanag hadatta? No. A crow cannot sing. A frog dash hop. Jump madak baratta frogige? Yes, a frog can hop. Fourth one. A peacock dash dance. Peacock dance madak baratta? Yes, a peacock can dance. Then a mountain dash move. Mountain movement agak sadhyana? No, mountain cannot move. Mountain movement agodilla. Okay. Move on to the B part, children. That B part is vehicles concept. Here they have given that all the words we have to find out here. So first one they have given that car, C-A-R, car. Second one that is picture auto, A-U-T-O, auto. Then the third one is cycle, C-Y-C-L, they have given already, L-E, cycle. And the fourth one is lorry, L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. Move on to the C part now. That is, fill the missing letters to complete the names of these vehicles. They have given vehicles here. We have to complete it with the spelling. So first one is aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Second one, S-H-I-P, ship. Third one, motorcycle, M-O-T-O-R-C-Y-C-L-E, motorcycle. Then the fourth one is train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Then fifth one is bus, B-U-S, bus. Sixth one, helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Move on to the D part. So the D part is colors of the things around us. So whichever the around us things are, no, we have to match it here. Sunflower is in which color, children? That is yellow color. Sky color is, in the picture you can see, which color is the sky? Blue color. Grass, green color. Then mud, brown. And the last one is clouds is in which color? White color. Next, the writing part is look at the picture, then complete the sentence with the words from the box. Here in the box they have given, we have to describe this picture. So, submarine, people, underwater, deep, right? So, which picture it is actually? That is submarine. So, this is a, we have to write this one. This is a submarine. ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಂತಹ ಬೋಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಸಬ್ಮರೀನ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ water. It can go deep. It can go deep. It can carry people on board. People on board. So here is one filling the blanks. I can float on water. I can carry people and cargo. I come in different size. I am, so which picture? Ship. S-H-I-P, ship. I have 2 wheels, a seat, pedals, a bell and a handlebar. People ride me to work for fun and for exercise. I am a bicycle. Bicycle.